This is the Garmin vivomove HR Smartwatch, and this is the Garmin vivosmart 4 tracker. We thought we will do an experiment on the information collected by these two Garmin devices in terms of the distance as well as the average heart rate. So here's what we did for the experiment. We wore the vivosmart 4 tracker on our right wrist and the vivomove HR Smartwatch on our left. And for the fitness tracker, it has what we call the assisted GPS. So when we go to the exercise mode and we select running, you can see that it is prompting us if we want to use the phone GPS. So if we select OK, which is a tick, it will connect, and here is connected to our phone GPS, and we will double tap for it to start measuring. Whereas for the vivomove HR Smartwatch, you can see over here that as we select exercise for the run, if we were to select it, there is no prompt for GPS. It is just tapping twice to start or stop. So let us now take a look on the results from our run. This is from the Garmin Connect app, the information that was recorded. At the top, that is information by the vivomove HR Smartwatch, and at the bottom is the information recorded by the vivosmart 4 tracker, which has got the connected GPS. As you can see, the vivomove HR Smartwatch that doesn't have the connected GPS to the phone, it registers a distance of 5.95 kilometers as compared to the vivosmart 4 tracker with the connected GPS to the phone. So this records an accurate distance covered by the running. And because of the distance registered by the vivomove HR Smartwatch, the pace that is indicated by the red arrow is not the correct one as well. But one thing good that both devices registered is the average heart rate. It has to be because it's measuring the same one heart, that is me. So you can see the quick compare between the vivomove HR Smartwatch and the vivosmart 4 tracker, one with a connected GPS to the handphone and the other without a GPS.